The Innovation Lab is an intensive, on-site, half-day event to help your team solve one of their big problems. Having trouble designing a new feature? Need a new strategy to build your sales funnel? Are you running out of ideas for recruiting young talent? Is the leadership team having issues aligning on priorities for H2? This workshop is designed to give you the time and space to think differently and innovatively. The first hour focuses on strategic, science-based activities to help your team lower their cognitive biases and open up to new possibilities. In the next 2 hours, we run through a series of exercises to make sure the team is focusing on the right problems, thinking of all the possible solutions, and creating space for discussion and challenges. In preparation for the workshop, our team will work closely with your teams to be sure the content, activities, and materials are relevant, focused, and impactful to your organization and its goals. Connect and find out how we can help you solve some of your organization's stickiest problems.